Hi, welcome to Learn English Institute. Today, let's go on a fun journey with Sarah as she learns about different fruits. This story will help you improve your vocabulary and understand how to use fruit names in sentences. Sarah loved going to the market on Saturdays. The market was colorful, busy, and full of fresh fruits. One sunny morning, Sarah decided to try fruits she had never eaten before. As she walked into the market, the first stall she saw had bright yellow bananas. The seller smiled and said, "Would you like to buy some bananas? They are sweet and healthy." Sarah picked a bunch. Bananas are easy to eat, she thought. I can peel them and enjoy them as a snack. Next, Sarah saw red, shiny apples. "Did you know apples keep you strong?" the seller asked. Sarah bought 3 apples. "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," she remembered. As Sarah walked further, she noticed a fruit she had never seen before. "What is this?" she asked. "This is a dragon fruit," the seller said. "It is sweet and juicy, with tiny black seeds inside." Sarah bought one to try later. Then she saw oranges stacked high. She loved oranges because they were juicy and full of vitamin C. "Oranges are great for making juice," she said. Next to the oranges, Sarah saw grapes. There were green grapes and purple grapes. Grapes are fun to eat, she thought, picking a small bunch of each color. At another stall, Sarah saw pineapples. They looked big and spiky. "How do I eat this?" she asked. "You cut off the skin and slice it," the seller explained. "Pineapples are very sweet and good for you." Beside the pineapples, there were mangoes. Sarah picked one up. It smelled so sweet. "Mangoes are soft and delicious," the seller said. "They are great in smoothies." Sarah also found coconuts. "You can drink the water inside and eat the white coconut meat," the seller told her. Sarah was excited to try one. Sarah loved berries. At one stall, she saw strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Berries are small but full of flavor, she thought. She picked a box of strawberries. "These are perfect for desserts," she said. Then she bought blueberries and raspberries. "Blueberries are great with yogurt," Sarah said, "and raspberries are so tasty in cakes." She also found papayas. "Papayas are sweet and soft," the seller said. "They are good for your stomach." Sarah bought one to take home. Finally, she saw kiwis. "You can eat the green part inside," the seller explained. Sarah thought kiwis looked interesting and added a few to her basket. Sarah learned that some fruits came from faraway places. Avocados were creamy and popular in salads. Pomegranates had many red seeds that were juicy and sweet. Cherries were small and tasted like candy. Peaches were soft and smelled amazing. When Sarah got home, she unpacked her fruits. She ate a banana first because it was easy to peel. Then she cut an apple into slices and dipped them in peanut butter. Later, Sarah tried the dragon fruit. "It looks beautiful," she said, "and it tastes so good." She also made orange juice with her new oranges. For dinner, she made a fruit salad. She mixed mangoes, grapes, strawberries, and blueberries. It was colorful and delicious. Now it's your turn. What fruits do you like? Write about them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories. Let's learn English together.